Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove the front driver's seat from a 2007 Volkswagen Beetle. This video applies to Volkswagen Beetles made from 97 all the way up to 2011. Before starting with the seat removal, please make sure to disconnect the battery just to be on a safe side, because you will have to disconnect the airbag wires. Okay, to start you'll want to remove these two front screws, and they are both 13 millimeters. Okay, so these are the two front 13 millimeter nuts which you have to remove. Next thing to do is slide the seat all the way forward so you get enough space to work here in the back, and you will see like two plastic covers which you have to remove on this plastic piece here. So you want to just pop this out. Okay, this is one, and here was the other one. I already removed it. So next thing, remove these two torx screws. They're both T15s, so the one here and the one here on the other side. Okay, so these are the screws. This is how they look, and once you have them out you can just remove these plastic covers, this one and the one there as well. And now by doing that and removing these plastic pieces, what's happening actually, now you can slide the seat all the way back and out from these rails here. And since you already removed the front two nuts, there is nothing else holding this seat. So pretty much now you just have to pull it all the way to the back and wiggle it off. Now I'll have to use both of my hands to do this. I won't be able to record it, but this is the idea. So remove front two 13 millimeter screws, remove these two small torx screws, and then just wiggle that seat out of these rails, and that's it. Once you do that, then you'll have to disconnect only the airbag wires, and then we can remove the seat. Okay, and this was actually much easier than I expected it to be. So you can see the seat is now completely loose. I could pretty much pull it out. Only one thing left. You'll see two connections up here which just have to be disconnected, and once you disconnect these wires, there is nothing else holding this seat anymore, and you can just move it out. Okay, these are also quite easy to remove. The small yellow one, you just have to press on these two small clips here and then pull it out. The green one, you just have to leave this green piece and unplug it. You see this green clip just has to go over this small knob. And the third yellow big one, it's also quite easy. There's this like a safety on it. You just push the safety away, and then you have to pull this part out. I can't record it because on this one I'll have to use both of my hands, but that's pretty much it, you see. So just move this off and pull the wires out. Okay, and the seat is out. It's actually quite easy to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.